Say what? Where is the tape measure? Why does it always disappear? With my husband.
What?
I was sitting here going, where's the tape measure?
There's
Why
two.
does it
there are
always
two in here. No. There are two of them in here. You take this one. I want that one.
I didn't see this one.
Take this. I want this one.
No.
Give it to me.
No.
Give it to me.
No.
Thank you.
Wait. My fingers.
Like, let it go.
No.
Ow, you alright? You quit hurting yourself on me.
I'm never play the violin again.
Don't play the violin.
Don't tell the audience that.
Pick that up a little bit, please.
You talk nice to me.
Pick that up a little bit, please.
The high pitch does not equate nice.
Baby, will you tilt that for me? Wait. Wait a minute. Oh, God.
Let me help you.
Well, I wish you would.
Ask me nicely.
I did.
No, you didn't.
I did.
He didn't. I'm dirty.
Yeah, you are. Don't act like you don't like it.
I'm not wearing gloves.
So get your gloves.
Your hands get dirty. Excuse me. Excuse me.
Not like the way that sounded.
Yeah, that didn't sound good at all.
And for good reason.
What's the good reason?
The thing came loose.
Oh, yeah, that's not good. That is dangerous.
That's dangerous. That's dangerous.
What?
It keeps going in my ear hole.
Well, let's work the bottom. Do we have another permanent marker?
Probably in the house.
No.
Will you also grab that yellow level off the bookshelf?
Yes.
Remember your microphone's on.
My microphone's on. What do I want to say? The microphone's on and I'm walking to the house. My husband's cute. He does nice things. I might be in a slightly perturbed mood, but he's a good man. He's a lovely man. I love him dearly. Where's the level? The level. There it is. Okie dokie. Okie dokie. Where's the dog? Why do I feel like he's up to mischief? He's just on the bed. I bet I can sneak out of here. He's 14. He can't really hear that well. Okay. Now he's gonna be mad. Oh, he's gonna be so mad. Shout out to my sister for giving us the laser level. Oh no! I accidentally marked wrong. FX. Thumbs up. Oh no! What are you doing? What are you doing? Ba 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 ba. Ba da da da. What in the world? Ba da boo doo doo. Say what? Where is the tape measure? Why does it always disappear? With my husband.
What?
I was sitting here going, where's the tape measure?
There's
Why
two.
does it
There are
always
two in here. No.
disappear?
There are two of them in here. You take this one. I want that one.
I didn't see this one.
Take this. I want this one.
No.
Give it to me.
No.
Give it to me.
No.
Thank you. Okay, so our hole has to be 37 and 5/8 inches tall by 49 and a quarter inches wide.
Okay.
It's fine. That's on camera too, by the way. I'll have you know.
I'm not even sure about the words that just came out of my mouth.
There weren't words. Are you going to mark me? Don't mark me. That's permanent.
It won't.
Good.
Okay. But I just wanted to put I love you.
Put your pen.
Look at that I tried to do. That didn't work. Okay. He doesn't think I'm funny anymore. No, we're doing it on the other side. Yeah.
You were in my life. In my league.
No, I'm not.
You were.
No, I'm not.
Well done.
You're not level.
Following your line down here is a guide.
No, but you're not level though. What's
Can you
level?
move your head from your body?
You're not level.
Say it one more time and I'll believe you.
You're not level.
Oh my God. Would you move your head? Well, your head was in the way. Don't judge me, the sparks burn. I'd like to see you try it. Blade got down to the end and exploded.
You're very lucky.
Huh?
You're very lucky. Did it hit you?
No. No, I did not. Woo! Where's the breeze? All in a day's work. Yeah. How's that for a picture window?
That ain't going nowhere.
Hold this, hold this. You're such a helpful audience. I love it. Stopped doing it last time. A lot of y'all made fun of me because I was wearing a shirt. Figured this time I wouldn't do that. Frank, please. So good. Okay, well, we just got done cutting out the hole. I'm just about to start welding our frame into place. But before I do that, let's go and see what Kaylin's up to. What you about to do?
I'm about to cut some wood.
Wood?
Wood. I'm a wood carver. Cutter. I have 2 pieces cut to 35 and 5/8, which will be this side right here and this side right here. So those will be the bottom of the bucking for the next window that we have. Hello, world.
Baby,
Yes.
what's different about today than yesterday?
It's slightly chilly.
It's slightly chilly.
We're grinding a window.
But why?
It don't fit.
It don't fit. Whoever made this window decided to put really stupid high pointy corners on it that take up a lot of space. Seems like a design flaw to me. Hey, none of that. Stop. What are you even barking at? Sir! Apparently it's the window.